Hi there, welcome once again to my channel. Do you sometimes find it difficult to fall asleep? And if this is you, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you one of my go-to sleep recipes. Sleep deprivation or sleeplessness is a condition of not having adequate or quality sleep. Enough of this talking, let's start with the preparation of this drink. The list of the ingredients will be in the description box. Place a small pot on low heat and go ahead and add a cup of milk. In this case, I'm using almond milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. Milk contains tryptophan, which is an amino acid that helps us to sleep better. A warm cup of milk without any added sugars can help you lose weight. Milk contains protein and fiber. That is exactly what our body needs. So having a warm cup of milk before bedtime will improve your sleep. Next ingredient is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm using the whisk to just combine all together. Turmeric is loaded with antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties and is quite soothing to have just before bedtime. Stir intermediately to avoid the milk sticking to the bottom of the pan. Next ingredient is 1/4 of a teaspoon of ginger powder. Ginger contains this compound called gingerol, which is high in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Antioxidants have been known to prevent cell damage and may therefore lower the risk of infections. At this point, you can add some honey or any sweetener of your choice, but I prefer it without any. The benefits of drinking turmeric milk will make you sleep like a baby, and it will cause you lose weight. This is because of the amazing benefits of turmeric, ginger, and milk itself. Try this recipe out and let me know how it works for you. Leave me a comment in the comment box. This has worked for me, and I know a lot of people that has worked for them as well. So you can have this drink warm or you can let it cool down a bit. So I'm just going to pour that into a mug and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please, if you like my content, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. There are other amazing videos on my channel. Thank you guys, and bye-bye.